Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if you just see this error, so here you can see it, sorry there was a problem with your request on your Instagram, so how you can also fix it. So first thing, just try to close your Instagram app and just open it again, and if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so just open the settings, and in the settings you need to check your internet connection. First thing, just try to turn off your Wi-Fi if you're using Wi-Fi and just turn on again. So after, just go to mobile data or cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, you can also just try to update your Instagram. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write Instagram here. So if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.